Today's video is I am going to show you how I decided to create some paper baskets, and these are completely made out of my 12 by 12 Teresa Collins paper. I'm going to show you how to do the fringe, and what I love about it, it's super simple, but you can customize this and make it to any size you want. I'm going to show you how to make the largest baskets because I needed to make 8 of these for my grandchildren. These are perfect for Easter baskets, but they're also good for gift giving. You could do this for anything, and you can decide how long you want your basket holder to be. Okay, are you ready? So you're going to need 1 sheet of paper. I'm actually going to use, this is called, this is from my favorites collection. This is You Are the Star. And what I love about this is you want a heavyweight paper. My paper is about 110 pounds cardstock weight. I'm going to actually put this down. This is just my Teresa Collins very loved craft mat. I think they're completely sold out. I don't think you can get these anymore. Let's just make sure I've got this in the viewfinder. Hopefully we got everything. So you want to start with a 12 by 12 piece of paper. And what I need to do, you are going to need a scoreboard, and you are going to need a trimmer if you need to cut off the logo on the bottom of your paper. So I have this handy, and I'm also going to use a glue gun. So you're going to want a glue gun. And so the first thing you're going to do, this is so simple to make. You just need to start with a 12 by 12 piece of paper. And before I do this, let me actually show you a couple other ideas that I've done. So I have a few baskets. So this is another basket I did, and this is again from my papers, and I love this. But also you could use the same thing and do it smaller. This is for my favorites collection. This is marble, and this is a metallic fringe, which I think is really cute. Or if you want to be traditional, this is just heavyweight white cardstock. And what I did on this is I literally made the basket that I'm getting ready to show you how to do. And I added gilding flakes for the ears. I used black dots and I just free-handed the nose because I think this is super cute. And who does not love gold and the gold eggs? Let me go ahead and show you a couple little more. So if you wanted to make it a little bit smaller, this is one that I did. This is actually, you can see on the inside, it's also my marble paper, and this is another paper line of mine. And what I wanted to do was just to show that you could make a smaller. And on this, instead of, I added the gold fasteners to hold these together. So you could do that. You can see that's a really fun one, especially if you're looking to make like a boy one. Or this one here is the same paper I'm getting ready to use right now. This is definitely more of a girl version with the stars. I just free-handed the nose, the eyes, and I free-handed the bunny ears. So as you can see, I have bigger, smaller. It's completely up to you what you want to do, but I think that's really fun. And then on this one was one that I thought was really cute, especially if you want to make a basket for just something else and not necessarily you can recreate this. And this is, I just did scallops on the inside, and this is from my favorites collection. And so let's get busy. So you need 1 sheet of paper. You are going to need your scoreboard because you're going to score it, and you guys, it's so simple. You're going to need some scissors too. So you're going to take your 12 by 12 paper, and if you want to make it, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make the largest, and if you want to make smaller, you can just completely do that. So on my scoreboard here, you can see you're going to score it at 4 inches and 8 inches. And this is a 12 by 12 inch Teresa Collins paper. So it's very heavy, thick cardstock weight, which you're gonna love. Now you're just gonna alter it to the next side. You can see I just flipped it to the next side. And then I'm going to go at 3 inches. I'm gonna score it, and then I'm gonna go 3 inches. So at 3 inches, and then I'm gonna come over at 9 inches. So 3 and 9 inches. Very simple. So then if you want, make it super simple. You can just take this and you can fold in your box. Show you how simple it is. And you can decide if you want the pink to be on the outside. This is very thick. My papers are very, very thick, which I love. So the thicker, the better. So what I'm gonna do here now is I've decided I'm actually gonna do the pink on the outside. it's not really a pink, it's almost like a blush pink. So I love that about this collection. Okay, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna take your scissors. So you're gonna need a pair of scissors. By the way, did I show you this cute? This is so cute. See, I'm so distracted. I get distracted when I'm creating and I just love it so much. So then what you're gonna do, you are wanting to bring the sides in for your box. So you're gonna come over and you're gonna just cut right here on the side. You're gonna come up this side and this side, because you basically, what we're wanting to do is we're wanting to fold in our sides. See how simple that is? So simple. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing to the opposite side. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to do this, and I'm gonna go right here. And only because I wanna save time, I'm going to use, you could use any kind of whatever, you know, adhesive, but I'm actually just going to use my glue gun so that you didn't have to wait super long. And I'm also going to, you know what? I think I'm gonna do a gold piece. Let's see. So I'm gonna show the handle. Actually, you could do anything. I prefer to make my handles a little bit longer, but you could also make them a lot shorter too, so completely up to you. If you're gonna have taller objects in your basket, I would definitely recommend that you do smaller. So, or I should say longer. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to grab one of my papers. Oh, by the way, this is the collection I'm using. This is favorites. And so you can tell that on each side there's patterns, but there's also just solid cardstock colors, which is always really nice to use. So let's go ahead and grab. I'm gonna go ahead and, this is super cute. This is just one of my papers, favorite gold dots. Look how pretty that is. And I'm just going to, and I do mine about an inch. You could do an inch and a half, completely up to you. Since I want to make this a little bit longer, I'll show you, just cut out two pieces. These are 1 inch by 12 inches. You just need 2 of those. Very simple. And I think this color is going to go really well with this. So it's not matchy-matchy. I'm not sometimes a matchy-matchy girl. And I'm just literally going to glue these together because this is going to be I got my glue. And like I said, you could also use anything you really want to use, but I'm just, for the sake of time and making the video go a little bit faster, this is something that you can do with your children, your grandchildren, whoever. And I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the inside. This is my middle flap, and I just eyeball it. I know there's a lot of people that'll be like, oh, exactly. So I just try to eyeball it to put it in the middle. And like I said, I want to do like a longer one here. So I'm just going to put some glue right here. Okay, make it simple. This is so, and by the way, you could use ribbon, you could use all kinds of fun little stuff, right? So you can see here, this is kind of like what's going on here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue each of these to, look how simple that is. I'm just bringing these 2 in, and we are going to glue this. I'm just going to go ahead and, you guys, I need a new glue gun, because look how loved this has been. I have a bigger one too, but when I'm crafting, let's just be honest, I am all about just making it happen, trying to, I about burnt myself. How many of you guys burn yourself when you're using glue guns? I do it every time, you guys, not even kidding. It is definitely something that I do. Okay, so again, just for the sake of time, I'm being really fast. You can see I've got one side done here. Look how cute that looks, you guys. So there we go. Let's do the opposite side. So now we have, on this side, this is so fun. Okay, here we go. And by the way, I am very generous with my glue. I don't know why, I just am. So I'm gonna take this in, you line it up along the bottom. Just make sure that you get it lined up, and then I just kind of smooth it together. And then I'm gonna do here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So easy. You guys, from one sheet of paper, that's how you can make a gift basket, an Easter basket. It's super cute. Now, this is just simple. This is plain. This could be, again, a birthday box, whatever you want. Even you could put a wedding gift in there. But I always say I like to add flowers. I like to just kind of dress up my baskets. So this is how I dressed up this plain white one here. So if you want to know how I do the fringe, I will be uploading my fringe video for my baskets right after this. So super easy, super cute way to make your own baskets from one sheet of 12 by 12 paper. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and know that I really appreciate you watching my video.